Hi, my name is Ken at Turtleback Case, and I want to show you the new Kenwood VP6000 series radio holsters that we got for you. Just developed them. They fit with both the standard and the extended battery, as you see here. The first part to start with is the antenna loop. There's a snap right here that this loop is supposed to connect to. And once it's connected, it will be very easy after this to connect the top part of the radio holster, just like that. So now you have basically the top ring can be slid over the radio like this. And since it's already snapped at the top, we kind of save ourselves from the struggle of trying to snap it once it's installed and in place. Once it's on top, you want to get the edge of the radio to align with this lip right here. And so you just want to push it down just a little bit more. And then you want to make sure that the screen and the mic and the buttons here are all kind of aligned. This looks about right. The last part of it, the bottom snap that goes through the D-ring. A lot of customers who aren't familiar with turtleback holsters don't realize that there is a little bit of effort that needs to go into the initial install. It just takes a little bit of elbow grease. You're gonna pull this bottom strap through the D-ring right here, and then you're gonna have to wiggle it. You have to wiggle it a little bit, like that. And then try to lay it right on top of the snap it into place. If you need to realign or even swap your battery, it might just be easier to take it all the way off in this case to install the extended battery. The same installation procedure. Start with the antenna through this loop right here, and make sure this part here is connected. Slide that through, position it. Okay, now we're gonna use the snap for the extended battery right here. Gotta wiggle it a bit. Lay that on top, snap it in place. To secure this in place, we found a way to reuse the screws that hold the original belt clip in place. And so we created holes, as you can see right here, where you can put these screws through to attach this radio. Aligning the screws can be a little tricky, but can be done. If you're in good light, you can see the hole for the screw, so that it will be easy to go into place. Now this thing's not coming off. Perfect. There you go.